Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're all well. Saturday morning, 8:10. Beautiful day in Manchester. It looks like it's going to be. Blue skies. So I'm in the Arndale here. Woke up this morning, my hotel just down the way there. Knocked on YouTube, as you do. DJ Media. Hell on Earth. Murder at Piccadilly Gardens is the name of the video. It was about 12. Hammerster just missed him as well. I nicked out for some tea, maybe about 11. And past Piccadilly Gardens not long before the incident, it would seem. I think it was about 12 o'clock at night. DJ Media said murder, Piccadilly Gardens. So, as we knew, it was chaos and strife in general. When I filmed it, it was quite peaceful, but there was a lot of foreign-looking fellas. Looked like they were knocking about there. But it's all gone to shit, and apparently someone's been murdered. So we'll go and have a look, see if it's all cordoned off by the police. I think he was just punched, was the news on the Vine. But I don't know, to be honest. It was in the region where when I was last there, there was just a lot of black lads sitting on that part of the wall. But we'll have a look. When we get up there. Nice and quiet. 8:10 in the morning, but still a fair few people about, to be honest. Look, the building up here. So what's going on? Building somewhere in the middle of the road. Check that out later on. Yeah, building somewhere in the road here for the afternoon's festivities. Don't know what it is. Come and check it out later on. Maybe do a bit of bacon sandwich from some outlet. Maybe even Greg's. No idea. Yeah, some sort of structure going up here. In the middle of Market Street. Not quite sure what it is. Some event. What's on? What's on?
Adidas, I think, tonight.
Adidas thing. So, some sort of Adidas exhibition, it would seem. We'll come back down later on and check it out. Right, we'll wait till we get to Piccadilly. Sandwich kiosk in Market Street. Bacon sandwich and a can of Coke. Must get wasps. So here we are. Don't think it'll be very busy today around here with all the foreign lads sitting on the wall. This has been a murder. There's been a murder. Yeah, this is where it was. Some DJ Media, and just behind this cordon section was the murder last night at Piccadilly Gardens. So if you want to see live scenes of the incident or in the general aftermath, DJ Media caught the scenes live, well, just in the aftermath of it. So yeah, murder at Piccadilly Gardens was the crack.
What do you want, man? I don't give a fuck. Who gives a shit, man?
Don't be around me when you're like that. Don't.
Yeah, man, I'm saying that's what I'm like.
Fuck off,
Go on, then.
I'll find you out. I'll put you in.
Yeah, I want to live a little bit.
So yeah, Murder at Piccadilly Gardens. Although someone else is kicking off with this guy. Oh, he's gone over to the police now. Don't know if he's going to grass him up or something. We're just walking past. No, so murder at Piccadilly Gardens is the name of the game here. So, let's have a little wander, I think. We'll leave the scene for now, come up later. Fragile, morning glory. Well, it is as you get older. It is as you get older. It's a fragile morning glory. It's the eye. The eye, the eye. The all-seeing eye. Looks well done, to be honest, doesn't it? Looks well done. It's great in this camera. Yeah, but it's a fragile morning glory. Well, still here in Piccadilly Gardens. It's still only about 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning, so it's quite pleasant. It's quite pleasant in the gardens. If you come early enough, it isn't absolutely covered in foreign men, to be honest. Well, there's still a couple. We've got 2 English, 2 foreign. It's a 50-50 split. But some English lads sat down over there. Yep, we're winning. So, yeah, it's not too bad if you come early in the morning. When most people are in bed, or all the druggies haven't got up yet. So, yeah, murder at Piccadilly Gardens is the headline here. But again, not 100% sure as to the situation. I've come out in the wash, but apparently just punched. But it'll all be cordoned off today. There'll be no Hamas protests in this area. You would have thought, as it's all cordoned off due to a murder. So where will the Hamas go? The man on his guitar. As long as he doesn't play anything in the chart, he'll be fine. Oh, the streets of Manchester, approximately 9 o'clock on Saturday morning. Murder to the left, murder most horrid. There's more police on the scene. Yeah, it took place at about 12 o'clock last night, according to DJE Media. 7:30, he posted the video this morning. Said he was in a hotel just down the way, so not quite sure where he's staying at. Maybe see him today. Maybe see the beach, who knows. Keep an eye for the boys, the YouTube boys and girls. So, the big headline, murder, Piccadilly Gardens. That is the big headline here. Well, I might go for some breakfast and see what's doing. Maybe head over to the cathedral. So, back on Market Street, just heading to the cathedral. Bounce, this is the old Adidas setup for this afternoon. Did come and see what's happening. Maybe give away a free Adidas clobber to all the migrants. Who knows? Maybe we'll be lucky and get a slice. So, head down to the cathedral and let's see what this cathedral looks like inside. We're quite small on the outside as cathedrals go, to be honest, in terms of height. We're quite small in height, but maybe it's still ornate inside. We'll have a look anyway. It opens at 9 o'clock apparently. Go to that, and then I was going to maybe take in the museum, maybe a bit of breakfast, and then head over to the Piccadilly Gardens, see if there's any Hamas supporters knocking about. And the beach and Moore and DJ Media and all the boys. Apparently a few of them are in Manchester today, so might as well join the resistance. Join the resistance. We are John Connor. We are all John Connor. Right, Museum of Illusions. We'll be going there later. If they'll let me, don't know if they'll let me film though. Open daily from 10 AM. Buy tickets online today. If I can't film, then I'm not interested. So they maybe won't let you film. I went in a Peaky Blinders bar last night. It was quite cool, to be honest. I think it's on the video. I'm going in, but I was expressly told by the bouncer I couldn't film in the place, and he was keeping a good eye on me as well. Like, so there's none of the inside of the Peaky Blinder bar. Right, we're back at the cathedral. So we're back, Manchester Cathedral, and also Mahatma Gandhi, if I'm not mistaken. Mahatma Gandhi here in the iron, if nothing else. It is Mahatma Gandhi. I mean, it's pretty unmistakable, to be honest. It's a good representation of Mahatma Gandhi, if we're honest. It does look like the man in his nappy. Stride on, Gandhi. So, Cathedral Yard is where we are. Some sort of outside venue. Had music on last night. It's alright, to be honest. There wasn't that many people there. So, this is the cathedral. I think it's grew from yesterday, but still not as big as some I've seen, especially this sort of smaller section here at the front. Very nice though, very nice. Security is on the scene. Try and sneak in without him seeing me. In case you're not allowed to film. The ornate doors. Oh, he's coming to get me. Try and get it filmed before he stops me. Is it okay to film?
Only for a few minutes.
I'll
Because we're starting a service.
I'll just get to the front.
Okay.
A beautiful cathedral it is.
It is.
We just don't build them like we used to. Even the buildings in centre of Manchester there, the 1800s buildings, now it's all metal and glass, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not as good.
As long.
Yeah, and the thing is, the old metal and glass structures. Lovely conversation there with the woman who worked in the church. I didn't like to record it. Wouldn't have been bad for the film, to be honest. Good talking about Britain and how it's broken, and there's a homeless man just outside the church there, and we're talking about the migrants in Manchester. As Telta used to live here. There's room 101 for the future re-education building. So I used to live here, I said, and I said I'm walking around the city centre. Let's go with the clouds, like the end of days is coming. Yeah, I was saying I walk around the city centre now, and I would say it's sort of 33% white, 33% black, 33% like Asian Muslims. I'd say it's a complete perfect split now, to be honest. And we were talking about the migrants and the money spent on the migrants, and there's a homeless man right outside the church there. Slept in the cold all night, and yet spending £9-10 million a day putting migrants in 4- and 5-star hotels. And to be honest, there isn't anybody. I don't think there's anybody who doesn't think that's wrong. That's absolutely wrong. So we're just back at the Glade of Light. The Glade of Light, the memorial to the May 22nd, 2017, 22 people who died in the Manchester Arena bombings. Again, another Islamic attack on British soil. Yep. So this is the old ring. Yeah, 22 people who died in the Manchester Arena bombings. And if you think that's alright, you need to be sent to room 101. Just chilling with the pigeons at the memorial circle. Yeah, I couldn't film long in the cathedral. There was a service coming, and then I had a 5-minute conversation with the woman about the current state of Britain. So sorry I didn't get to film. I got the main section there quickly. There's people coming in for a performance of Jesus, I believe. So I had to clear out. Up, there we go. Signal the performance of Jesus. The signal has been called. All those who wish to witness Jesus, please enter the cathedral. Over. Well, might head back to the hotel, charge the camera, head to a museum, maybe get some breakfast. We're at Cheltenham's School of Music here, apparently. Trying to hold the camera more steady when I walk, so it's not as jittery. It's like a mental, constantly thinking. Escape rooms here. Escape hunt, escape the room, no pressure. That could be interesting, like. But it's all whether you can film it while you do it. There's a VR thing where you can survive the zombie apocalypse. Don't know if this is open or shut down. It wasn't open yesterday when I passed. Escape hunt. Yeah, it's like a VR experience just off Market Street. But I mean, there'll be no filming that. You're in VR, you know what I mean? But it could just be an interesting crack. It's like 30 quid or something. Maybe do it later on tonight or something if I'm bored and got nothing to do. Had a bit of a early night last night. Like, here's the old Prim Works. I think I was asleep by 12:30. Thought I'd get up early after a good night's rest and make the most of the day's filming. It's fucking freezing all night as well. Need another quilt on the bed here, but the hotel no provide. Next. Yeah, fountain area. Probably looks quite nice at night, this, to be honest. And the anti-homeless prevention barriers. Probably looks quite nice at night. I'll have to do some filming tonight, as it's the last night. These little pop-up shacks are alright, I know. Yeah, that's just a summer thing or all year round. It's all buildings of Manchester. It feels like a proper city nowadays, like with its skyscrapers, Selfridges. Right, so I'm just nip back to the hotel and recharge the camera and dump the footage, so there's plenty of space for the day's festivities, I think. Need to get a bacon sandwich somewhere, like Pizza Hut. Can't have pizza for breakfast, like any normal person there. It's the tram to Rochdale. It's via Exchange Square. Would have been where I was. I don't know. I don't know the areas but well. This is the Arndale on the left, and Crocodile Gardens where there's been a murder, and then I know where Oldham Road is and Princess Street. Although I got that wrong yesterday. So it's getting busier. It was quite quiet when I first come out, but the public have arisen by the looks of things.